Alright, we're out here in the streets of Tangier right after the night prayer. There's lots going on, people all over the place. It's full of energy, and they're ready to hang out with their friends, eat, drink, and spend the whole night awake. And I'm going to continue my walk, and I'll show you what it's like in the nighttime here in Tangier. So, let's go.
Here you can see people walking on the side of the street and in the middle of cars trying to pass by. Sometimes it's even hard for the cars to pass because there are people all over. They even walk on the road sometimes. You have the guy trying to sell Moroccan shoes. And then here he's trying to sell some Moroccan outfits. So what they do is they yellow the prices of the merchandise. So if anyone's interested, they can buy it right then and there. Look at all this just laid out on the sidewalk. They've got everything from shoes to sunglasses to shirt or anything else that you can think of. The price of these items range anywhere between 10 dirhams to 500 dirhams. That's like $1 to $50 depending on the item. Since this is the month of Ramadan, all the people are out here until very late in the night, all the way until the early morning prayer. Men, women, children, everyone's out and about. Alright, I'm about to come to the end of this street. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon to be notified when a new video comes out. See you in the next one.